When we will talk about other system, that is lymphatic system. So lymphatic system is defined as, so lymphatic system is a part of circulatory and immune system. Lymphatic system is defined as it is a system or networks of vessels through which the lymph is transferred from tissue to the blood. So it consists of lymph vessels in which the fluid is present, which is called as lymph. It contains number of cells, that is uh, lymphocytes, which are a type of WBC cells which kill bacteria by acting as immune system. So we all know that arterial arteries are subdivided into arterioles, then arterioles are divided into capillaries. So there are arterial end of capillaries and veins or end of capillaries. These capillaries go to tissue and supply the nutrients like oxygen, glucose and other. There is a space present between the tissue. For example, these are the ends of capillaries and these are the tissues. The cells, number of cells are present which form tissues. The space between them is known as intercellular space, and between them the fluid is present, that is interstitial fluids. Every day the 20 liter of fluid is leaked from the capillary and go to the cells or tissues or space between them. So cells take all the nutrients, cells or tissue take all the nutrients from that fluid. About 70% liter or 17 liter fluid will get returned to the veins, but the remaining 3 liters was taken up by the lymphatic capillaries, which is termed as lymph, which contain the cell debris, small protein, etc. These are lymphs. When we talk about the components of lymphatic system, first one is lymphatic vessels, then lymph, and third is lymphatic organs. When we talk about lymphatic vessels, there are number of capillaries comes together and collect lymph and form the lymphatic vessels. The lymph only flow in the upward direction, it does not flow in the backward direction. Then all the lymph will drop in the veins, then it go to heart, that means circulatory system. Then lymph is the clear liquid which contain WBC. When we talk about lymphatic organs, it contains primary and secondary organ. Primary organ contain bone marrow and thymus, then secondary organ contain lymph node and spleen. Primary organ, bone marrow and thymus, these are the organ which produce the cells that are beta cells and T cells, T lymphocyte cells, where beta cells are where beta cells and beta cells gets produce and mature at bone marrow, where T cells are produced in bone marrow but mature in thymus. When we talk about secondary organ, it contains lymph node. They are present in large number of blood vessels, lymphatic vessels, which are made up of lymphoid tissue, which check the presence of bacteria. If there is any bacteria present, they will kill them. Then spleen, their mechanism is also same, that is phagocytosis for killing of bacteria. This is all about the lymphatic system and circulatory system. I hope you will understood. Thank you.